Hello guys, good evening. So, I wanted to give you guys an update on the Mazda CX-5. So off muna natin yung engine. Kakadating ko lang sa condo. Let's off it first. So anyway, wait, before I off it, ever since I did the conversion, well, not the conversion, nagdagdag ako ng Apple CarPlay. For 10,000 guys, I think it's pretty good buy. It's really important to have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So okay, even if with the original. But I might replace this guys with the 10.25 inch, I think. Yeah, it's around 10.25 inch. Touchscreen na siya. So Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Connected na rin siya dito also sa command center, or what you call command control button or whatever that is dito. So sa Mixto rin kukunin ko, I think it starts at 28,000. Tapos I want to add 360 camera kasi this one, if you do reverse, ayan guys, so reverse cam lang. So I want a 360 cam. Yeah. But malinaw yung camera nito, but of course yung 360 cam mas maganda, especially when you park the car. And I might do the ambient lighting sa doors, dito, sa likod, and everything. This is nice, but I might do the complete ambient lighting. So mawawala yung MS, ang mangyayari ilaw na lang siya. So which is nicer actually. But everything has been good since I bought the car. So when did I buy this car guys? Mga 4 months ago siguro, 4 or 5 months ago. I've brought this to Baguio already, and okay na okay siya kasi all-wheel drive. The 2.5 engine, the sunroof, the 2.5 engine that has what, 190 horsepower is good enough with 250 Nm torque. Okay na okay. Yung aircon nito malamig talaga, which I like. Of course, I did yung film para hindi magasgas, which is good. And of course the Hypotec matting. Buksan natin yung hood, off na natin yung engine. Yan. And guys, so of course we put the hood shots from Mixto yata to, or did I buy it on Lazada? But yeah, like I said, the 2.5 of the Mazda Sky Active has been very reliable. As you know, when I bought the car, I did replace the belts. Yan, yung mga belts yan, bagong-bago yan. Para peace of mind, of course, we replaced the engine oil, we replaced all the filters. So cabin air and oil filter. Of course, we had a coolant flush. So this has the green coolant for Mazda. Brake fluid also, replaced all the brake pads. So, diba, peace of mind rin. Para, because I don't know when, you know. And I bought washer fluid also. So Lazada lang naman to. So that's good. So everything's been well, very reliable engine. Of course, even though this is a 2018 model, to be honest with you, it does not run like a 2018. The suspension's still pretty good. The first owner took care of the car naman. And I'm lucky that the battery, the start-stop battery is still good. I think the last time we checked it was 92%, so that's good. Yeah. Shut it down. Then the tint of this, I didn't know pala sa likod guys. So starting from the back, all the way to the back, rear, ano yan, smoke glass. So kala ko all this time, sabi ko parang darker yung tint sa likod, even though pare-pareho lang yung tint nito. Yun pala, kasi smoke glass pala. So what I did, and when I bought the car, I didn't know na hindi tinted yung, let's close this ha, hindi tinted yung ito. So, tinint ko ng 3M, super dark. Kasi hindi siya tinted. Which is, napansin ko lang when I was out, I parked the car. Tapos sabi ko, I can still see through the, you know, the back, the inside of the car, through the back. Of course, the tow cover, yan, okay yan. Para if you have valuables, hindi kita yan. I love the fact na, you know, it's not the biggest. Diba, like I said, CX-5 is not the biggest in terms of space sa likod compared to, let's say, a CR-V or RAV4. Pero, it's good enough. That's my seating position. I'm 5'7". And marami naman space. Maluwag siya. And that's good. I love that there's aircon here. And there's a charger here. Diba, like I said, meron charger sa likod. Yan. Type C, well, USB to type, you know, ano ba to? Type C? Yeah, Type C, diba? So, okay yan. Let me just close it. I like it. I love this car. You guys, after I purchased, you know, a lot of Camrys na second-hand, which I fell in love with Camry. So, from all the Camrys I purchased second-hand, this is the best for me up in terms of my style of a car as a crossover. Kasi I want the crossover to be one, comfortable enough, not the most comfortable, but comfortable enough. I want it to be sporty because for me crossovers are kind of like bigger, higher versions of a hatchback because it has that hatchback form at the back. So I want it to handle well. So I think CX-5 is a great size for everyday. CX-30 kasi maliit talaga, or even the CX-3. I think CX-5 is perfect for everyday use. And it's nice that a store like Mixstore, they have a lot of parts for Mazda, so to upgrade, which I love. And the fact I'm also lucky na when I got this car, bago yung gulong, and mahal ng Toyo tires or any tires for that matter. So I'm very happy with it. And I love the style of this. The latest one kasi, the same shape, iba lang yung ilaw. I think maybe the bumper and the grille is different. But I do like the style of this more than the latest CX-5. I like the fact that for the all-wheel drive, now you could get it for 2 million, I think. Or even less, may discounts. But this car has been great. It just needs a car wash, guys, kasi nga it's been raining. Alam mo naman sa Philippines, it's the time of the year na ulan ng ulan. So, abangan na lang yung mga upgrades, guys. If you're gonna plan to buy a CX-5, then I hope this video helps in to show you yung mga upgrades. Like this one, this will be a 10-inch na instead of a 7-inch. So this will be nice. And also the ambient lighting. So, yan ang mga two major upgrades siguro to make this car interior a little bit nicer. And I like the heads-up display of this car. So, very important. So guys, if you're gonna buy a CX-5, I think this is a great brand new or second-hand option. Ako, I bought it brand new. This is a 2018, by the way. If you haven't been following my vlogs, 2018 to. So, after that, nagkaroon na ng Apple CarPlay. So, this one, wala pa. But essentially, it is the same look. Interior and exterior, just a little bit upgraded, refresh headlights and rear lights. But I like it. It's such a great car, guys. The Bose sound system's fantastic. Hindi siya basag. After 7 years, mag 8 years na to. Kasi 2018, 2025, 2026 na, so mag 8 years. But it's good. Since I got the car, wait let's check. So when I got the car, it had 66,000. Parang ganon. Now, I only use it for what? 1,224 in 4 months. So, because we use other cars, but I use this a lot. I love using this car pang araw-araw talaga. Especially with my dad when we have meetings. I like this. It's good enough, especially when it rains. Okay na okay. And the grip is good. Okay, gas consumption. When I drove this to Baguio, and I drive pretty meaning I drive pretty fast on the T-Plex. Siguro average 120 to 130 instead of doing 100, let's say. Medyo matakaw siya sa gas, napansin ko. If you really put it on sport, so if you click this, naka-sport, talagang it really holds the revs for you. Pero for me, okay siya because it's very responsive engine. Very good yung transmission nito, very smooth. Wala siyang jerkiness whatsoever. Even if you do sudden, when you press the brake, bigla, nagda-downshift yung gears. Very smooth siya, hindi siya jerky at all. Very good transmission. The 6-speed of this is fantastic. I don't use the plus-minus. I like the fact that the volume knob is here. Sometimes I get to use this more than dito sa steering wheel. Of course, I wish it had adaptive cruise control now kasi sa ibang kotse, masarap talaga gamitin yung adaptive cruise control, especially kapag nasa skyway ka or sa highway or even sa traffic, guys. Ang sarap. But this, of course, the newer models of the 2025 for sure has adaptive cruise. Ito wala. This only has blind spot and rear cross traffic alert, and that's about it. But for every day, I think that's good enough. This car has been a good buy for me, just like the Camry. And I'll just do a lot of vlogs about this car. I'll keep this for a while. Maybe, siguro feeling ko like in a year. Siguro a year or a little bit less than a year siguro. Before, kasi I'm really waiting, guys, for the CX-50 yata na lalabas dito sa Pilipinas. Sabi na hybrid na. That is sourced from Toyota, yung hybrid system. So tignan natin. But for now, this muna will do. And I'm happy. I'm very happy with it. So see you in my next vlog. Always take care. Goodbye.